In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete an image in Adobe Express. Whether you're tidying up your design or simply adjusting your composition, knowing how to efficiently remove elements is a handy skill to have. So, let's walk through this process together, step by step. First things first, you'll need to open up your project in the Adobe Express editor. You can do this by navigating to the Adobe Express website and logging into your account. Once you're in, locate the project you want to edit. If you've recently worked on it, you might find it in the Recent Projects section. Otherwise, you can search for it using the project name. Once you've found your project, click on it to open it in Adobe Express Editor. Now that you have your project open, it's time to focus on the specific image you want to remove. Take a moment to cursor over the canvas and click on the image you're planning to delete. When you click it, you should see some visual indicators that the image is selected, such as boundary lines or a subtle glow around the edges. This is important because it confirms that the editor acknowledges which element you are working with. With the image selected, you have a couple of options to delete it. The simplest option is to press the Delete key on your keyboard. If you're working with a laptop that doesn't have a designated delete key, try holding the Function or FN button and then pressing Backspace. Another straightforward method is to use the graphical interface. You'll notice a trash or delete icon appearing somewhere close to the image or on the toolbar at the top of your screen. This icon typically appears when an object is selected, serving as a quick and visual way to manage your design elements. Click on this trash icon, and the image will disappear from your canvas. Once you've removed the image, there's an essential final step to ensure your changes are saved. You can do this by clicking on the Save button, which is typically located in the upper right corner of the editor. If you're finished with your design session, you might also choose to exit the project. In many instances, Adobe Express will automatically prompt you to save any unsaved work before exiting. And there you have it. A simple, effective way to delete an image from your design in Adobe Express. Whether you're making space for new elements or simply refining your layout, these steps will help you manage your project with ease. Thanks for tuning in and happy designing.